The agents can do a broadcast to their contact list by clicking on Broadcast, Compose Message, and to be able to select their recipients here. So you can actually select recipient by filtering out the channels. Say for example, I would like to send messages to contacts who are in WhatsApp and Telegram and Line. So I can click OK, and I will be able to see contacts that's just relevant to these few channels. So for example, if I were to select my recipient from Telegram, from Line, and say WhatsApp, then I will click Next to compose the message. After I've done composing the message, I can click Next to have a preview of the messages and the recipient channels, as well as the recipient name or phone number. So I will be able to see over here the total recipients that's captured by Conversa account and the total channels. So once I am okay with this preview, I may click Send Now. So Conversa will do the processing, and you will be able to see shortly, in the reporting section of the message. So I can click on reporting to see the details of this particular broadcast. I can see the process status, whether is it completed or not, and view the log for each of the contact point that I've actually broadcast to. So I can see that the timestamp here that's been broadcast out, or the status of the delivery, as well as the associated remark with it. And I can also have an overview to see as a broadcast, how many recipients are there, how many channels are being sent to, and how many messages that are being sent out. So if there were to have any failed messages or pending messages, it will also be reflected here as well.